To automatically adjust display color when viewing pictures on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add adjust display routine to your routine list. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Scroll down the screen, tap more accessible, and then select adjust display. Here you can review the condition and action on this routine so that you will know what conditions are needed to run this routine and what will happen when this routine is running. Once done, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. You can see that adjust display routine has been added to your routine list. To run the adjust display routine, open Gallery app. As you can see, the phone will automatically enable color correction feature and apply its current setting. When you close Gallery app, adjust display routine will be deactivated automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.